ka AICS haki laitli gi jika hikai bantip yakakor computer hari Bhoi district ha Nongpoh ha Sning bat ha Bhoi rombong bantip khambnya wanmi haki institute jongi lade phun shengi tangkata rengi diru yakakor computer hakador ke babit bat kimar ki batip top
bantip kerpang ya kisap jong Samla Pule na kislam ai jingkai bapher ki badan hari Bhoi district batru kum kawai na kirensan ban pelong ya Samla bakin shlur ban kieu hakirensan ban peni ya la kisap ki phong ko office jong district sports officer ri Bhoi district kala pelong ya ka district level youth exchange program ka belong hakasian pelong ka balai ya kani ka program la pelong ha district library Nongpoh nadu henen ka Sngi bat Pynkut menta ka Sngi ka arpusan terik urisau arjar pusau hakni ki arsi la pelong ya ki Jingiakynduh bapher kentop nadu karwai ka shat ka jing kentep la ni ka quiz competition ka shna da ka bapanon kam da ka jing start bat ka jing kai sayan lem bat kiwe hakni ki Sngi Pynkut lawan ban sakilang dau Emily ka than ba Meryl Bonds em hak jing darlang ba Bobby L Nongbet ba di district sports officer ri Bhoi district kong ya sha rambai lem bat kiwe na ka jing pelong ya kita ki Jingiakynduh ka office su DSO kal airu ya ki Khusnam haman la ki Jingiakynduh ringkat kita ki Khusnam la ban rap da ka ba ai lang ru da ki Synod ha ba ajing keren nak liang ba Meryl Bonds em lo ong ba ki bakum kini kirinsan ki long ki badan kam hadu kata ban lum ya ki Samla namar ki Samla ka district ki dang dan kam shibun kirinsan ban penslur shu ya ki shu long ru ba hak ki bakum kini ki lumpung bagi Samla ki lumlang kidan kam bahaban bu ya ka program ka kerpang ban hikai shapang ka jing snio jong drok sebat ka jing shong khak na
in different program, be it in the church, be it in some function or program, in the villages. There are times where, because I used to be punctual, Program is at 10 o'clock. I reach at 10. Nobody is there. So we have to wait. As a chief guest, I have to sit and wait with the organizer, then waiting audience, people, participant to come. When they come, you remember one thing, they will always occupy the back benches. Do you realize or not that?
Yes.
People want to come but you ben hadin. Tentang ya kenyak to ben hadin lahap so di bang tiu to kenyak ya tu itu ben. See, this is the habit that we have. Haji Sengewbha in the church. Most of the people, they will always occupy the back benches. Program also always back benches, which is very bad. We should be always the front benches. Function, the program always occupy the front benches, where you could participate in this kind of program, in other function also. So this is the habit, the attitude that we should follow. Because this is small thing. Sometimes you don't realize small thing, it matters the most. To gain a confidence in yourself is very important. After you will gain a confidence to yourself, number two is that you have to gain confidence from others. Today you participate in this youth exchange program, you have gained confidence to yourself. You will go out from this hall, from this program, a filled human being. Number two, how to gain confidence from others. How to become a person who will be dependable by others. Karena gawe gijing tu kana. Don't bom sutu kasih. Anybody who don't understand kasih, please raise your hand. You can be a genius in this world, but very important is that you have to be a good human being. I may be number one in class, in school, in college. I may be first class. But the question is that I am a good human being or not? I am a trustworthy or not? Take Kaba, Samla. We expect that present day generation, it is a very tough way we remember the story. Kaba di bat kan Jingiakynduh kum no ban lai im. Na kan ka Shillong jong parthei ka balong very competitive. Unemployment issue, huge problem. How you will overcome that is not easy task. Namar kata, there is a say that those who will survive, survival of the fittest, the person who is fit will survive. In the present day generation, ketika kamram kejungi jung filang paro, bangin long kiba, lah macam ni ada di trustworthy, agak trish tom agak jengim kejung pilih men overcome, ya gitu kijing sniu kiba pun. I hope membahagikan exchange program work done. I hope you have discussed regarding drugs. Next time you have come over or not yet. Like ikran from drugs, so jengjelai jung drugs. How to overcome ini like what is our rule? What is my rule? What is your rule? Neng isu apik baga sarkar kan wan pulit unwan namkem yagi badi drugs. What is your rule? Please share your experience. Just one experience that you have got from this exchange program. As a legislator, it is my duty to hear from you, to have an experience from you also. What is the benefit that you have got from this program? Anyone, please don't feel shy. Mana-mana please stand up from where you are. Please share experience because I'm not there yesterday and today. Please.
So this program gave us a platform and it also gave us opportunity to showcase our talents, and it also helped us to overcome our fears and many more, sir, from this program. Thank you. So from this program, we get a lot of opportunity. We get a platform, sir, to showcase our talents, to showcase our skills, our ability. And from this program, I think we should organize like this program like every year, because the youth of this state, it needs like this program so that they can go for a further competition like in state levels, national levels, and so on. So we are so grateful to be the youth from this from this Bhoi, that we get a lot of opportunity because it uplifts us as individuals. It gives us opportunity like we the youths that today's we need. Today's youth today's youth is not that we need only education, but we also need like creativity, like skills. So like this competition, like this events help us the youth, and that's all, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You are done.
Pidan kam projector ban pani film ne pidan kam projector nak banta ki awareness program jongpi phun Sngi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hndru wei ar nyau lai